Good morning and happy Wednesday to you, my friends. So if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And we will skip recitation till we are in the month of May. So let's go ahead and move on to morning meeting. So the very first thing we would do is we have to turn the clock to morning, but we have to find out who our student of the day will be. We know that yesterday's student of the day was Ariana. Let's see who it is today. So today's student of the day is Mason Mora. Come on down, Mason. So of course, if Mason was here, the very first thing Mason would do is turn the clock to morning. And Mason would write his first and last name. But because Mason isn't here, Mrs. Harrow will have to do that for him. So, under student of the day, I will write Mason Mora. Okay, and then Mrs. Harrow would give Mason his student of the day sticker, followed by giving him a pointer and saying, all righty, young man, you are on. And Mason would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? April. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Tuesday, then that means that today is Wednesday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and recite our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And remember, my friends, there are 12 months in a year. Now, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count to see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now, before we put the 28 on our calendar, let's go ahead and do our A, B, C, D pattern. But for time constraints, we're going to go ahead and start right here. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon. Very good. And we're going to go ahead and place that number 28 right there. And then let's go ahead and help Mason with the letters in the month of April, beginning with capital A, P, R, right, Danilian I, Danilian L, and then we are going to finger space. And what two digits are we writing today? We're writing 2 and an 8, followed by a comma. And what number does the digits 2 and 8 make? Aha, 28. Great job. Now let's go ahead and write the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. All right, now let's go ahead and read today's date with Mason. Today's date is Wednesday, April 28th, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 159 days, what would today be? Well, what comes after 59? Let's start at 55. So 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So let's go ahead and draw out. First thing we got to draw out is our great big bundle of 100s. So this is 100. Then we're going to follow with Mr. Tens. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. So now let's go ahead and graph this on our days in school graph. So under our days in school graph in the 100s column, we are going to write a 1. In Mr. Tens column, let's see what we have. So we have, let's look here, 3. And then on this hand, we have, no, hold on, 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. Okay, so we're going to write a 6 in Mr. Tens column. And friends, we don't have any 1s, so we will add a 0 to that. All right, so now let's go ahead and compare it to our days in school tag. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 6 Mr. Tens? Do we have 0 Mrs. Ones? So how many days have we been in school? 160. That is fantastic. Friends, that's a whole lot of days as well. All right, it is time for our coin cup. Coin cup, coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. The very, very first coin we have is the dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. And when we count dimes, we count them by, correct, again, by tens. Our second coin is a nickel. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. And when we count nickels, we count them by, correct, again, by fives. And our last coin is a penny. And a penny is worth 1 cent. And when you count pennies, you count them by ones. So we're going to start off with our tens, with our dimes, because those are valued more. Okay, so here we go. 10, changing coins. 15, changing coins. 16, 17, 18, 19 cents. So let's go ahead and add 19 cents to our coin cup. Okay, so we're going to write 19 cents, and we're not adding our coins to our meeting board anymore because now we have coins in our mystery bag. Dot, dot, dot. And we have to add those totals onto our morning meeting board. All right, friends, so listen to my clues. So Mason, because today you are student of the day, I need you to listen extra carefully to my clues. So today in my mystery bag, I first put 6 dimes and 3 pennies in the mystery bag. Okay, 6 dimes and 3 pennies. I then remove 2 dimes. Okay, I then remove 2 dimes. I want to know how many dimes and how many pennies are still in my bag. So listen again, Mason. So today I put 6 dimes in my mystery bag and 3 pennies. Then I took out 2 dimes. I want to know how many dimes and how many pennies are in here. 4 dimes and 3 pennies? I don't know, but first of all, let's see how much money did we have all together first. So let's write the amounts on our meeting board. So the first thing, how much money did I have? How many dimes and pennies did I have first? So I had 6 dimes, right? I had 6 dimes and 3 pennies. Okay, that's 63 cents. Then I removed 2 dimes. Okay, and no pennies. All right, now if I had 63 cents and I removed 2 dimes, is that a sum some more or a sum some went away? Aha, sum went away and the symbol is minus. Okay, fix that. Hold on. Okay, minus 20 cents. So now let's see how many dimes and how many pennies are left. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 6 minus 2. Well, if we had 6, and let's count backwards too. So 6, 5, 4. Okay, so now we have 43 cents. So is that, here, let's not forget, here's my dimes and here are my pennies. So we have 4 dimes, we have 3 pennies. Is that correct? Ding, 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 ding. So let's check here and see if that's what we have inside our mystery bag. Let's see, and we'll count it. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43 cents. And that is correct. 4 dimes and 3 pennies. Let's give Mason a round of applause. Great job. All right, let's go ahead and do our counting. And I apologize for the glare, my friends. All right, let's go ahead and count by 100s. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. All right, let's go ahead and do our odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, and evens. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very good. Counting back 5s. Here we go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and finally counting back 10s. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job, friends. Let's go ahead and look at our digital clock. Our digital clock reads 12:30 or 12:30. Analog clock reads 8:30. Remember, the shorthand is the hour hand, the long hand is the minute hand. We have to match our analog to our digital, right? So first things first, let's go ahead and locate 12 o'clock. Okay, 12 o'clock. So here is 12 o'clock, right? Now I want you to pay attention to the hour hand, which is a shorthand, as the minute hand goes around to 12 o'clock. So I want you to pay attention to what's happening to it. And we will stop right there as 12 o'clock. Our hour hand is no longer right here in the middle of the 12. It has moved. It is almost at the end of the number 2 in 12. So now our hour hand is between two numbers. It is between the 12 and the 1. Analog clock reads 12 o'clock. Digital clock reads 12 o'clock. We match. Ding, 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 ding. Excellent. All right. Finally, let's look at our hundredths chart. And I think I want to count by eights. So here we go, adding 10. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98. Great job. All right, friends, so when I see you in just a little bit, make sure that you bring your class fact practice to Morning Live. Okay, bring your ruler. We're going to definitely need a ruler. I want us to see if we can work on our centimeters. Okay, all righty, friends. See you in a bit.